Hi
Hi
everybody.
everybody, how you doing?
CJ and EJ here. We're getting ready to sand the white primer on the body of the guitar right here and get it smoothed down, and that way we'll take a break and then we'll come back and we will spray paint the body with the color we picked out. So let's get this adjusted, and CJ, go ahead and pick up the sanding thing and go ahead. Yeah.
Okay, just like I did the other day. But don't lift up.
Real smooth. It shouldn't take more than just a few passes. Let me feel that. A little bit more right in here. Yeah, up in here. Go ahead and put a little more elbow grease on it.
Okay, now feel it.
That feels real good.
What about right there?
Yeah, well that's actually going to be covered by the pick guard, but still, right down over in here, we're going to hit that again.
Huh?
Right in here,
Yeah.
in this area. Go ahead and sand on that a little more.
Okay.
Okay.
See how that is?
That feels good. Yeah. Okay. Now we'll flip it over. And we gotta do the back side. A little bit more. Give her some elbow grease. Okay, just a little bit more over here.
Okay.
The rest of it feels real good.
So just down here.
Yes.
It looks rough right there. I don't know why. Oh. Gotta blow it off.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that feels real good.
Okay.
All right, now I'm going to hand the camera over to CJ, and I'm going to do a little sanding. And what we're going to do is we're going to get the edges, and then the curves and the bumps and all that. So
Okay.
now I'm just going to take this here.
I gotta change this.
Okay. I don't know.
You're turning around.
That's a good
I'll have to go like
question.
this.
I guess so.
Okay.
Well, anyways,
You can look at it.
well,
Does it look like it's
yeah, it looks okay.
okay?
So what we're going to do now is just go in here. That's feeling good. Now we go down the sides. around the edge.
Let me know if I need to move the camera.
Yep, you're doing fine. Maybe tilt down just a little. Tilt like that. There you go. Alright. We're not taking too much off, we're just taking off the rough edge. You gotta do this because when you paint the color on it, there's all these little bumps and everything from the primer will stick up. And then you go to
No, I'm just saying uh-oh.
and then you go to sand that, and if you didn't get a thick enough coat, then those little bumps are going to start showing through, and you got these little white spots going through your body. So we're not sanding anywhere near what we did when we were doing just the wood with the body. It's just enough to take off the rough stuff. Right in there. Here, like this. Yeah, that's good. And you'll see it got a little thin right there, but that's okay because that color is going to cover that up. And your edges do tend to be the one spot where the paint gets thin. I think we're done.
Okay.
All right, let's lay this back down. See this, and hope this is a good shot, but that's what she looks like now. So we're going to take a break, and we're going to tie her up and start putting some color on it. So
Tyra.
that's right. So we'll see
Okay.
y'all just a little bit, and hope you're having a great weekend. We are. And anyways, we'll talk to you in a bit.
Bye.
Bye bye.